it has got a smoke float and it has got a light over here. Guys, right now I'm on bridge, so this is the bridge wing. इसे हम wing बोलते हैं, wing of the bridge, right guys? So on the bridge wing, suppose the duty watchkeeper is doing a watch and he finds out somebody has fallen and we are going at quite a good speed of the ship. So the first thing the duty watchkeeper is going to do is raise an alarm, but along with that, most important part is he is going to come over here. There is a MOB marker over here. This is called man overboard marker. It has got a life buoy, guys. Life buoy. I hope you can see it over here. This is a specially designed one which is kept in a curved over here. So what happens is, this life buoy, the duty officer will come over here. He will open this lock and release this pin. When this pin is removed, this life buoy which is resting over here goes down and it falls straight away into the sea. Along with that, this life buoy is tied with this equipment over here. And what is this? It has got a smoke float and it has got a light over here. What do you mean a smoke float? इसके अंदर क्या है? As soon as this falls into the water, this automatically gets activated. Light starts glowing. Why? Because the person might fall during the night. During the night, this light is going to give us an indication of where this life buoy is. Along with that, for 15 minutes, the orange float is going to emit orange gas, orange smoke. So during the daytime, the light is not visible, but this orange smoke is visible, and it will continue for 15 minutes. During those 15 minutes, the duty officer will try to keep a lookout at the person as well, where he can see. It is possible that he might be able to catch this life buoy and save himself, and if not, at least the duty officer will know, the person over here will know he has to come back to this place by taking a Williamson turn. Because understand one thing, guys, when you are on ship, it hardly takes a split of a second that the person whom you want to see might get lost. So this plays a very, very important, and that is what is called MOB marker, that is man overboard marker, one of the most crucial and important parts in ship. Jai Mata Di.